Hey guys, so we got the garage cleaned. Lauren helped me get the 5 tons in. So we're gonna start working on taking these lovely things apart. Because we gotta put a spool in them, and then we're also doing haters, which means factory hubs come off completely, and all that good stuff. So let's get started.
I try, but I always know. I wish you was holding me close. Can't be without you, I'd rather overdose. When you fucked up on them pills, you can't hear me cry. Without them, you're sick, and we both know why. Pine after pine till the well runs dry. If only you love me like you love getting high. I can't let you go. I try, but I always know. legs like no one. Feeling better, I'm smoking. If you heard me say I'm sad, I was joking. I was my old man, fuck my old friends. Okay, honestly, I kinda miss my old friends. But fuck. I know I get up and I'm still on school. My parents didn't teach me love, but I know how to divorce.
Size that thing. We got one for the 2.5 ton from here. There's not 5 tons. That's nice. Not that dirty.
Use me, abuse me, anything not to lose this. And I don't want no new friends, my heart still got bruises. I'm high as fuck cruising, drowning out some music. And I can feel the cracks coming in. Please God, don't do this. Please God, not right now. Please God, don't do this. Please God, not right now. Please God, not right now. 3 drinks, I'm already too deep. One song on repeat, no care, don't want me. Hey, hold me, he wanna know, hold you.
Alright, so we got one hub off. We don't need any more because we're going to put faders on, so I'm pretty sure we're going to cut the spindle off and welding a new one on. But these things are massive. Well, I got to cut that guy off. I'll have to cut all these off. So they did this side, but they didn't do that side. Doesn't make sense. I'm thinking we'll put the engine hoist under here, lift it up, and probably put it on some jacks for the time being. Yeah.
I was trying to get to know ya, baby, I heard you cool, yeah. Can't kick it with the bros, yeah. Can't kick it with the homies and shit. Can't I'm begging you, baby, don't leave. You work it, tip by your smile, you know you worth it. Wishing I could take away all your pain, deeper than what I can see on the surface. I know that you deeper than what I can see. Pretend to be something you don't wanna be. Surely I wish that you knew you was perfect. I'm begging you, baby, don't leave. It ain't your style, it's the way that you work it. Tip by your smile, you know you worth it. Wishing I could take away all your pain, deeper than what I can see on the surface. I know that you deeper than what I can see. Pretend to be something you don't wanna be. Surely I wish that you knew you was perfect. I'm begging you, baby, don't leave. It ain't your style, it's the way that you work it. Tip by your smile, you know you worth it. Wishing I could take away all your pain, deeper than what I can see on the surface. I know that you deeper than what I can see. Pretend to be something you don't wanna be. Surely I wish that you knew you was perfect. I'm begging you, baby, don't leave. It ain't your style, it's the way that you work it. Tip by your smile, you don't know you worth it. Wishing I could take away all your pain, deeper than what I can see on the surface. I know that you deeper than what I can see. Pretend to be someone you don't wanna be. Surely I wish that you knew you was perfect. I'm begging you, baby, don't leave. I got a feeling that the top gets lonely. I need you, I need it. Every now and then I'm high.
Alright, hey guys, so you just really watched some boring stuff of watching me undo some chunk nuts, but in order to lift the chunk up, I always usually weld the tab on top of the chunk. So I drew one up in Fusion, show you here. We'll upload it onto our fire control. Boom, so that's what it looks like. And then I put a shackle in here and boom. But I'll show you guys how we cut it out. So we want to make sure it fits. Oh, come on. You're all access. This already sets our home. We'll go to Z or down. We'll do a dry run to make sure it fits there. She'll fit. So we got a ground, we got our air pressure. All right, so close, dry run off, start. Alright, so boom, there you can see it. That's pretty close to center, so it lifts these chunks up pretty flat and even. So do that and I'll start jacking it up. So, I got the chunk out. You saw me struggling there with the chisel for a minute, and then I thought about it. I lifted up. So there's weight hanging off. It started smacking here and over there with the big fucking hammer. And voila, out she came. This thing looks surprisingly pretty good inside so far. probably about as far as I go for tonight because I need to go get some wheels for this thing, and then so I can clean this thing up, do all the basic stuff. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys.